Hey guys, and today I'm a little bit scared because I'm still scared because before there was a storm and I'm in a different place. I'm actually in my kitchen. No, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm in just my basement. And there's just a little table, bed, balcony, and a TV that's on right now. Then a little kitchen outside. So yeah, it's kind of like a kitchen and it's like a home to me. So I always make my videos. Well, not always, but this is my first video in my basement. So yeah, well, I'm still scared because before there was a storm. If you guys saw the storm, I'm pretty sure you were scared too. Even my dog was scared. Maggie, come on. I need to go get my dog to shit, guys. Look. I'll show you my beautiful dog. This is my beautiful cat. She's always in the basement too. Mwah. Let's try to kiss you. Mwah. She kiss you. Look. Now I'm gonna show you guys my dog. Maggie. What kind of commercial is that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Never mind. I'm sorry if you can't see my face. It's so white. Oh, well. I'm sorry my face is all white, but Maggie, come on. Come on. Maggie, come on. Come on, where it's not white. Come on, Maggie, so. Go, back up. Back up. Back up, Maggie. Back up, Maggie. Back up. So, this is my dog. She's white, but she's actually brown. She's a beautiful dog, I know. She's a pit bull. One of the best dogs in the world. But yeah, there was a storm before, and I'm still really scared. Hi, Misty. She loves you guys, just like I do. And I'm gonna take a little snack. I'm just kidding. I am gonna drink something now. Nothing. Now I'm gonna go sit down again where I was before. And then, yeah. So, yeah, there was a really big storm before. All the trees were like, so, yeah. Pretty weird. So, it was a really weird video. My phone charger is right over there. I don't have a camera, I have a phone. So yeah, bye guys. Talking about the storm is actually really creepy. I have a chill, so bye guys. Stay cool.